2:30 in the morning. I'm on my way back to the shop. I was doing sidewalks with this holder machine. Our first snowstorm of the year, November 27th. They're calling for about a foot of snow. This is what I've been stuck in for 3 hours now. Yep. Alright, in my old International here, let's see if it'll fire up. It's a little too high. Neutral, alright. Oh, like new. 9-liter diesel. Well, here I am in my favorite 84 International S1700. There's like 6 inches of snow on the roads right here.